beats.
Ooh, but yours is cooler because you have a little blue on it. Mine are basic. I like your helmet.
I like it too.
It's very cool. So, can somebody please pronounce the lake for me?
Lake Calhoun.
Lake Calhoun. Bade Maka Ska? Ska? We might need to move a picnic table. No, nobody go in the grate. Alright, do you guys want to pose or do you want to do one without the bikes?
I like your new bicycle. You guys want
Thank you. Do you guys want to pose? Just pretend you're bikers. So we are downtown Minneapolis at the Brits pub here with my besties. Got Luke on the Triumph. Joe on the Ninja 1000. Good head knot from Joe. We got George on his Striker with the cool frog head, and then we got Daryl and Danny on the R6. So we're just all gonna hang out here on this crazy windy day. Hopefully our bikes don't fall over. But yeah, it's been fun so far. Definitely hard not to have a blast on two wheels. Alright, somebody do something funny for my video. I don't know. Go dance in the light of your bike. Don't hit your head.